Mame Mao Akwaba and Foumbra Ghana SM TVGH so what friend me Adjoa searching.
Good evening, Ghana for. I say Akwabina or 3 FM or your program be from Johnny Bites. Massa wait Jimmy pa we are boy. We are foolish man, very stupid man. Say what to station was say nurses has been pampered for too long. For you to make such a reckless and stupid statement about nurses. A sebe air course of Ghana. Say enyawa. No and found what in crime. And when your private hospital no be or tear crossing. O kasan was same way any share a necessary ebuvono. As a only maybe. Do you know the issue at stake? Would you all station one? Oh, Kakan Sir Johnny Bite. We are boapa. We are Jimmy. We are stupid man. And I don't blame you because I said TV 3 FM TV3 and I say NDC pro NDC station. And to move for some mama band and one. They Jimmy Samson no. Kwasia you are comparing foreign nurses nurses in the UK, US, Canada and other countries to Ghana. What about them? Kwasia fresh nurses fresh from Cali is taking less, not even $60, $70, $80 an hour. A nurse with over 5, 7, 8 years experience is taking over $100 an hour. What about to Ghana? And go back to work now and what a month for now can Jimmy. I don't know what. But see, NDC communicate be any papa Jimmy. And I form Mugu stage one Mukam Kwasa, and what I'm mason. And said, necessary, Mo, I buy our double. I buy or Pumasam, I buy up warfare, Edna So, the difference. These are the people on which are Ness allowance. MPP had a negotiation with you, and I'm Mankasa Munko for the Assembly Court. Monsanka more benefits. Mo yi assembly court move shade said Musabo so much as man and this vocation say go free old nurses retired nurses or momra because some moji allowance some mo kan he after next time mo go to aba mo hu aban a some to mama no aban mo welfare yasem aban oba hwe buye no mo hu na wo de wo kwasia Johnny bag aboa wo compare that's what the condition of service in the US UK what about to be organ aboa kwasia Jimmy.
I don't know. People don't pass and they become nurses, and tomorrow you come there for us to treat you. What human being?
I've seen it on social media. Everybody saying, what did he say? I mean, it's an embarrassment to the journalism profession. If he really said that.
I really asked.
I mean, if Johnny Hughes said that, it's completely embarrassing to journalism. To tell nurses that they didn't pass exam. But then we, the journalists, what exam did we pass?
3 months. You can be following people, taking pictures, and then you become a journalist.
Here of Aken. Kere Japan. Honorable. Many sound, many and sound. Let me say, Omo party ni muno. Say almost slow. Say deun. Itu ye bibia, omo ntime ka no mo hwe. Na mia sebi. Me so sa wo ne ma no so. Ebe se de bia me na me ba kan asem. Ken, say ye po bia enei. Per analysis now, obi on qualify, san ko be flag bearer yo. Per your own analysis. Per your own analysis. Say what me ka say, ye election, ye lose with the margin. Iti per wo analysis a margin iti Dr. Baumi and your candidate, or say delegates manager ko. Ken, ye do chrome war, one constituency per a central. Hono. Ye do hope and am the bejajo. We sit what now so 20-something years and we see from what men grumi obia wa MPP ni mapa biara amana take over from you. See you rate with the constituency in Kwan, unqualified baby, so ben, flat bearer, Kunyano baby, ben baby. With just your constituency, unqualified. After your back, your premise na o percentage na wunya o percentage no. Endu dia Dr. Belminya or general elections 41% no. O percentage wunya 30 something na wo wia no. Ye ka obi an performance ye or party ma e fa no come. Aba. You say there ya bro. Ya bro. Na me there de bia me ka se wo nya MPP ni. We ye typical NDC. Na MPP fo anyi wa fi party ni mu a wo begu party na show. Ke yapon, wo ye typical NDC wo nya MPP ni. Mo hu evidence bebre meetings bi a woni President Mahama eyere ayeye. Ne kwan a o fa so a break MPP down amom. Ya na oguso aye. Wo nya MPP ni. Wo MPP mu for wa fu contracts in abaji party ni call opposition. It will kill party no opposition. The nya asem ne kan D levy ba a point say a 20 say Ghana ye twa to Ghana for so. Ghana ni to 1 gallon of fuel bia obetwa 4 cedis 50 pesos na Majo Mahama. 1 gallon per 1 gallon. It's Ghana ni eto 2 gallons a driver for eto 2 gallons a day omutwa 9 cedis na Majo Mahama. Ken levy ni etwa 1 cedi upon sika bia wo sending. This is the time I would the party na enema we na yen Ghana for pemu nchenchemu. Yenye we dress am na kokoye wo Church of Pentecost wo ayi mampon ho no. We nye we dress am no ofa. Se wo so be koso akoni se ya. Ye mu bi ni strategy kwa ye de ba so ye besesa no. Ensema me ba beka no. Wo Are this is your last and your first and last warning. Ken, this is your first and last. What did Dr. Baumia enim young form yema yen spell? Achieve show. Ye probability me di Ghana ni Ghana for na anyewo. Ghana for so wan ya. Ghana for so di matem. Ghana for so wetwa mpoa because Ghana man na hiafo ne doso. Na wo so mu ahiafo na sikafo kasa me hiafo nka bi. Eti ye probia Ghana for mpene ni mahwa eyewo. Eti men fa ho to Dr. Baumia be biabiem. This is your last warning. Men fa ho to Dr. Baumia be biabiem kare Japan me na make asase ma chew. Ben Dr. Baumia be bia. Don't even try that thing again. So who attack papa ni bi ma? Ye be ba so fully ye Mahama ni ndisi beto nchen. Na ken my hope by 3 years non stop, I swear to God. Manuesi, we've had enough of you. NPP party, hey, the leadership, the current leadership, me who beat that. Me who beat that. Shake chairman, I say do get ya. I don't tell you cops, mo started some more cancer my tia party no. Omi you almost in change. Where are they? And you know matter how much I be winning elections no. And then I can Japan kwa ya party leadership. Who are you? Justin Kodriani chairman, chairman team money at the more keka home. Can Japan or one party nim? Party na start campaign and you be a party na start campaign na. Campaign time on soon ye kwa ye. Esu Kennedy Japan official ye bema or so so be a party nim. It's a year na ye kwa or the kwa campaign. Akwa attack Dr. Bomiebim. But Ken, we are our last time. Lots of catch one, my catch on. Last one in ye. The next time, ye. The next time, ye, be catch you playing. After one would dinner, when you be dear, when you may be yellow. A catch him. Would a mumbra me comment as a metro and phone. But Kenya Japan, there is no robot may be present. Don't mean the president or Canada. In a worst situation, in a worst scenario, say, oh, we need flag bearership, no crana. Some of us will make sure say we pulling down any better position 100 years. We don't care. Because, sir, Subawi. Now, then our qualification, Papa Ben, our Jim Biepa, what Jim Biepa, take about party say, Yava Ghana amount. O party puna is Yava Ghana amount. Ah, when he brad yes, I there, no crowd, no maka. Can, when he brad yet, the papa, me who soon pray for the whole Ghana. Your population now, the way they pray for you. Me, I make a show. John Mahama, Aba or Aba, a quarter year. Difference when on your 115,000 pen on your account. On some keka o premise ni hyehyɛ